Okay, welcome back. We are talking about, finally, we are talking about equations. And there's a few things I wanted to discuss. There's some words to know that you need to know. And one of them is solution. Solution is a thing that can make the equation true. So if you know what solution is, please put that in your words to know in the front of your interactive notebook. Also, what an equation is. An equation is basically something that involves variables with an operation and an equal sign. So you're looking for multiplication, division, subtraction, but you gotta have an equal sign for it to be an equation, all right? So equations can be true, false, or open. So let's take a look at this. 24 plus 18, is the equation true, false, or open? Explain. 24 plus 18 is equal to question mark. I'm gonna put a question mark there. Is this true, false, or open? So is 24 plus 18 equal to 20 plus 22? So 24 plus 18, if I go ahead and do 24 plus 18, I get, see, that's a 2, here's the 12, 2 plus 2, that's 42. And 20 plus 22 is 42, so this is actually true. This is a true solution. This is a true equation. 7 times 8 is 56, not 54, so that's a false. Okay? And then 2x minus 14 equals 54. I don't want you to solve it, but this is actually open. And why is this open? Because we have to solve for x, which is our variable for that. We need to solve that for x. So you got it. Why don't you pause the video, take a minute or two to do that, and I'll see you here in less than 60 seconds. All right, let's take a look at problem number 2. Identifying solutions of an equation. It says, is x equals 6 a solution of the equation 32 equals 2x plus 12? I don't know. So think about, how are we going to do that? What can we do to help us get through with that? What can we do to help us? So one thing that we can do is we can actually plug in 6. We can substitute that 6 wherever we see 32, or not 32, but the letter x. So 2 times 6 plus 12. So 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. So x is equals 6 is not, repeat, is not a solution to this equation. So it is not a solution to the equation. So you have got it to do for this. Why don't you pause the video? I'll see you back in about a minute, and we're going to have some more fun with this. All right, here's one that's kind of challenging. We got a picture, got some words, and we got multiple choice. It's like the total package. It says, an art student wants to make a model of the Mayan Great Ball Court in Chichen Itzá, Mexico. The length of the court is 2.4 times its width. The length of the student's model is 54 inches. What should the width of the model be? I don't know, but I'm looking at this picture and wondering, what can I do to help me? So one thing I can say is this. I can say that I don't know the width, so that's my W. I'm going to call that W, and I'm going to say that's my width. All right? Now, in my picture, do I know how the length and the width is related? I believe 2.4 times the width is equal to the length. So 2.4 times the width is equal to 54. Okay, so 54 inches. So that's what I got. Now, I don't know what I could do to help me. I could try each one of these. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to plug in 2.4 times 2.4. Is that 54? Is 2.4 times 2.4 54? I believe I get 5.6, and that's not 54. So that one's not it. Let's try a different one. Let's see. Let's try a different one. let's try 2.4. Let's try 2.4 times 22.5. Is this equal to 54? Let's try 2.4 times 22.5. This is 54, is equal to 54. I got it. That works. That checks. So my answer is C. You have a guy who wants to take some time, probably 2 minutes, you got it. And I'll see you back here in a minute to wrap this up. All right, so do you know what an equation is? If you do, cool. If you don't, put it in your words to know. Do you know what an open sentence is? If you do, cool. If you don't, look it up, Google it, put it in your words to know. Do you know what a solution of an equation is? If you do, cool. If not, put it in the words to know, and then rate yourself on how good you get this. Hopefully this makes sense, pretty easy. I look forward to seeing you in class on Monday. And may the force be with you.